Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most loved skincare products on the market, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. If you're looking for a hydrating, lightweight solution for your skin, you might just want to stick around. I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about this product, from its ingredients and benefits to real user feedback. Let's get started. Product overview. So, what is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion? It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer designed for normal to dry skin. Available in this convenient pump bottle, it's developed with dermatologists and promises 24-hour hydration while restoring your skin's protective barrier. Lightweight and non-greasy formula. Contains hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Fragrance-free. Key ingredients and their benefits. Now, let's talk about the magic inside this bottle, the ingredients. CeraVe is famous for incorporating science-backed ingredients into their products. Here's what makes this lotion special. Ingredient 1, ceramides. First up, ceramides. These are lipids naturally found in your skin, and they play a crucial role in maintaining the skin barrier and retaining moisture. CeraVe's formula contains 3 essential ceramides to replenish what your skin needs. Ingredient 2, hyaluronic acid. Next, we have hyaluronic acid. This powerhouse ingredient attracts water to your skin, keeping it plump and hydrated all day long. Perfect for tackling dryness and giving your skin that healthy glow. Ingredient 3, MVE technology. And finally, there's MVE technology, which stands for multivesicular emulsion. This patented technology ensures that hydration is released throughout the day, not just when you apply the lotion. Application and texture. Let's talk texture. This lotion is incredibly lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. Unlike some moisturizers that leave a greasy residue, CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion feels silky and smooth. It's perfect for layering under makeup or applying right after a shower. See how easily it blends? This makes it a great option for both your morning and nighttime routines. Who is it for? So, who can benefit most from this product? Well, if you have normal to dry skin, this lotion is ideal. It's also gentle enough for sensitive skin, thanks to its fragrance-free formula. Whether you're dealing with seasonal dryness, irritation from harsh products, or you're simply looking for a daily go-to, this lotion ticks all the boxes. Real user reviews and feedback. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what real users are saying about the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This lotion saved my dry, flaky skin during the winter months. It's lightweight but keeps my skin hydrated all day. I love that it's fragrance-free. I use it every morning under my sunscreen, and it works perfectly. With over 40,000 reviews on Amazon, it's clear that this lotion has earned its reputation. Pros and cons. Like every product, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion has its strengths and a few minor drawbacks. Let's break them down. Pros. Lightweight and non-greasy. Long-lasting hydration. Affordable and easily accessible. Cons. May not provide enough moisture for extremely dry skin. Some people prefer a scented product. Final thoughts and recommendations. Overall, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a skincare staple for a reason. It's affordable, effective, and backed by dermatologists. Whether you're new to skincare or looking to upgrade your moisturizer, this product is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this lotion or if there's another product you'd like me to review. See you next time.